Today we discuss some more problems in combinations. NCR represents number of combination of n objects taken R at a time. Here given that NCX equal to NCY. NCX equal to NCY implies either x plus y equal to n or x equal to y. For example, 7C2 equals 7C5. That is 7C2 is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 7 minus 2 factorial. That is 7C2. That is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. That is here 7C5. Here it is 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 7 minus 5 factorial. That is 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Both are same. So 7C2 equal to 7C5. Here 2 plus 5 equals 7. So NCX equal to NCY. That implies either x plus y equal to n or x equal to y. Okay, 7C2 equal to 7C2. So either x equal to y or it is x plus y equal to n. Problem: if NC7 equals NC4, find the value of n. We know that NCX equal to NCY, that implies x plus y is equal to n. So here n is nothing but it is 7 plus 4, that is equal to 11. So n is equal to 11. Also next problem: if NC15 equals NC8, find the value of NC21. Find the value of NC21. NC15 equal to NC8. Therefore, n is equal to 15 plus 8. That is equal to 23. Okay. Then we have to find NC21. That is 23C21. That is equal to 23 factorial divided by 21 factorial into 23 minus 21 factorial. That is equal to 23 factorial is 21 factorial into 22 into 23 divided by 21 factorial into 23 minus 21, that is 2 factorial. Okay, that is 2 factorial is equal to 21 factorial cancels. 2 into 11 equals 22. So 23 into 11 is 253. So the answer is 253. That is 23 C21 is 253. Next problem: if 10cx equal to 10cx plus 4, find the value of x. We know that NCX is equal to NCY, then either x plus y is equal to n or x is equal to y. Here x plus 4 is equal to 10. X plus 4 is equal to 10. That is 2x plus 4 is equal to 10, or 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6x is equal to 3. So the value of x is 3. If, next problem, if NC8 equal to NC6, find NC2. What is n? 8 plus 6, that is 14. Then what is NC2? It is 14C2. That is 14 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 14 minus 2 factorial. That is equal to 14 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 12 factorial. 14 factorial is 12 factorial into 13 into 14 divided by 2 factorial into 12 factorial. 12 factorial cancels. 2 into 7 is 14. So 7 into 13 equals 7. Sorry, here it is 12 factorial cancels. 2 into 7 is 14. Then 111. Sorry, 91. Here it is 91. So the answer is 91. Next problem, NPR is equal to 720 and NCR is equal to 120. Find R. We know that NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. Relation between combination and permutation. That is NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. So 120 is equal to 720 divided by R factorial. Or R factorial equals 720 divided by 120. That is equal to 6. So R factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. That is 6. Or R factorial is equal to 3 factorial. So R is equal to 3. R factorial equal to 3 factorial. Then R is equal to 3. Next problem. If there are 12 persons in a party and if each two of them shake hands with each other, how many shake hands happen in a party? There are 12 persons in a party. That is there is n is equal to 12 persons. Okay. If each two of them shake hands, that is we take a combination of 2 out of the 12 persons. Okay. That is n is equal to 12 and r is equal to 2. So how many shake hands happen in the party? There are 12 C2 shake hands happen in the party. So 12 C2 is 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 12 minus 2 factorial. That is equal to 12 into 11 divided by 1 into 2. That is equal to 66. So 66 shake hands happen in the party. Next problem. A question paper has 2 parts, part A and part B, each containing 10 questions. If a student has to choose 8 from part A and 5 from part B, in how many ways can he choose the options? Okay, that is student can choose 8 questions from 10. Okay, there is in part A that student have 10 C8 combinations. Okay. Combination of 8 questions from the 10 questions, and from part B he has 10 C5 combinations. That is he has choose 5 questions from 10 combinations. So 10 C8 into 10 C5. So 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 8 factorial into 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 is again 5 factorial. That is 8 factorial cancels. That is 9 into 10 by 1 into 2. Here also 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. After cancellation we get 11,340.